Now we are going to see how to create database in SQLite, how to create tables, and how to insert values and update values in the table. And in the end, we will see how to attach multiple databases in SQLite. So let's begin. So now we are going to create a database. The name of database will be demo1.db, and it will consist of two tables, person and residence. Residence table will have these columns: name, address, state, phone, email, and social number. And these are the types of these columns. And each column has these constraints. Uh, Not null is the value of that column cannot be empty or null. So primary key of residence table will be social number. So it will be a primary key. Other table will be person table, and the column of person table are these: name, age, occupation, salary, education, and social number. And these are the type of each column. And primary key of this table is also social number, and these are constraints for this table. So let's implement these tables. Now open Windows PowerShell. Type here SQLite 3 and name of database which we want to create. It's a demo1.db. Now database is created. If you want to see if it's created or not, then type here show command, and file name at the end of output is demo1.db, the database which we have just created. So now we are going to create table residence. So we have to type create table residence name. First column is name, and its type is character, and constraint is not null. Next column is address, and type is text, not null. Other one is state, type is char, '20, not null. Phone, integer, 30, not null. Email is text. Set social ID is integer type, and it's a primary key and not null. Now we have to close the bracket, and in the end we have to type the semicolon. So we have already created one table residence. So if I want to check, then I can enter tables. So it will be mentioned there's a one table called residence. If I want to check the schema of residence, then I have to enter dot schema, and table name is residence. So this one is table, and the schema residence, this command is showing all the attributes and their corresponding type and constraints also. So next We have to insert values in this table. So insert into table name is residence and values. Our first column is name, then address. Here I'm typing just uh, column names, state, phone, email, set, values. So first name is our character type, so I have to use quotes with address India, state Punjab, phone is integer type, so 1 2 3 4 6 5 4 7 8 type, and our email is text, so it is gainacme@gmail.com, and finally set is integer type, so 1 is, and in the end we have to enter semicolon. So let's see if entries has been entered into the table. So select star from residence semicolon. Yeah, so now we will enter few more entries in this table. Name, Cheshire, India, Punjab, phone number 9. We have to enter every time a new set because it's a primary key, so we can't duplicate values in our primary key. So I will enter a few more entries in our table, then I will continue.